The hard thing to learn is hand placement and using your body to help shape the hat, and they help you here. I mean, that's a nice thing about it. They've seen every type of person, you know, from 10 foot tall to 2 foot tall. Like they tell you when you're coming here, you know, it's hard to break into the retail business if you don't have anybody to help you. And, you know, some of these hat companies, clothing companies, you know, they're asking for $6,000 or $7,000 initial purchase. And if you're a guy doing this as a little side hustle, you probably don't have $6,000 or $7,000 that you can go buy, you know, a couple hundred hats to take to a show. You've got to kind of build that up, and they allow that here with minimum orders, or, you know, just order one if that's what you need. The big difference is I realize that this is something that's doable, that I can do. We've learned a little bit of the business end of it all, little tricks that you would never learn anywhere else. Just the confidence that we can go forward from here.